Papa.
Yeah, please.
And then put hot chocolate in here.
You put hot chocolate in there? Oh, okay. Is that what the instructions say? Okay. Oh, you can see the pictures on the box. Yeah, do you see the picture where it goes in the box? Look at the picture on the box. You see how it goes in the middle there? On the other side, is there a piece of paper with the instructions? Are there pictures on? Is there a piece of paper with the is in the box? Is there a piece of paper in the box, or it's behind you, or maybe it's in the box? Is it in the box? The instructions? Open up the box. Is there a piece of paper with the instructions?
Yeah.
So take it out. See what if you can see what the picture says.
Okay.
Let me know. Let me know if you figure it out.
Look.
You figure it out. I have to do something on the phone.
Look, we put hot chocolate in here.
Well, read both sides and let me know what you think. Give me a second, okay?
Whoa. We mixed it.
Well, read the whole thing and then tell me what you think.
Put the flour into a bowl and put it in here and mix it in the bowl.
Oh, okay.
And put hot chocolate in here and close it up. And put hot chocolate in here.
Okay. So what do you need? What are the ingredients? Do you need like what do you put in? You said flour?
Yes.
What else is there? What does it say? Let me see. You see, what does it say? Is there pictures of what you need on the other side? Does it show like do you need eggs or what does it say? You see any eggs?
We need eggs.
Eggs and what?
Eggs in the bowl.
Eggs in a bowl? Okay. How many eggs?
We need 1 egg.
Okay. Okay.
1 egg.
Okay. Is that the number one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So I need all in the spoon.
Okay. You putting it all back?
Yeah.
Great.
But I need all in the spoon.
Yep. Wait. Yep. Don't forget any of the pieces. The spoon and the cup. Doesn't that blue spoon go with it? By your foot? By your foot?
Yes.
By your foot. And the cup, no? Okay. So put it in the box.
I need only this spoon.
Okay, and the cup too?
Yeah.
Okay, so be sure to put it in.
Can you hold this?
Yeah, well let's put it all away. Wait, hold on. That goes in here too. No, it's all part of the same thing. It all goes in the box, no?
Yeah, but you want...
Let's just keep it together. If you want to put...
hot chocolate?
Well, no, it's not for hot chocolate. It's for the chocolate for the donuts, no?
Yeah.
So, okay. All right, fine. So let's put it away. Well, if you want hot chocolate, make it in a cup, but that's different. That's for the donut maker. It's not a cup for regular hot chocolate. It would melt. You see what I mean?
Frank, are we making donuts?
This is pretty cool. Did you look at it? It's hold on. Frank was just reading the instructions. It's like 30 seconds.
I was looking at it yesterday and I was like, oh, we should do this.
Yeah, did you see how much it cost?
Oh, it's so good.
Goodwill. It was unopened, brand new. I got it for Eliana. I figured it was like her type of gadget. Frank actually figured it out. Frank, show her how it works.